The best retirement strategies for your $400,000 portfolio. Planning for retirement with $400,000 means balancing safety, growth, and steady income. It's not a fortune, but with smart moves, it can secure a comfortable retirement. The key is to diversify, reduce risk, and create reliable income streams. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here are 5 simple strategies to make your $400,000 work for you. 1. Choose safe investments. Focus on protecting your money while earning steady returns. Tips: Treasury inflation protected securities, protects against inflation. CDs, certificates of deposit, guaranteed returns, especially with a laddering strategy. Municipal bonds, tax-free income with low risk. Dividend stocks, reliable companies that pay regular income, just keep stock exposure moderate. 2. Use annuities for steady income. Annuities turn part of your savings into guaranteed income. Immediate annuities, start paying right away, ideal for covering monthly expenses. Deferred annuities, start later in life, useful if you live longer. Fixed indexed annuities, linked to market indexes with no downside risk. Be sure to understand fees and terms before committing. 3. Combine with Social Security. Social Security can boost your income, delay benefits, waiting until age 70 increases your monthly payout. Bridge strategy, use savings to delay Social Security and increase benefits later. Smart withdrawals, use Roth accounts or tax-free bonds to manage taxes. 4. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your $400,000 across asset types for balance. 30% in safe income, tips, CDs. 25% in annuities. 20% in dividend stocks. 15% in gold or alternatives. 10% in cash or high-yield savings. 5. Invest in a gold IRA. Gold helps protect your wealth in tough economic times. Stability: physical gold holds value. Tax advantages: like other IRAs, offers deferred or tax-free growth. Diversification: add 10 to 15% in gold to reduce overall risk. Use an IRS-approved gold IRA custodian and meet storage rules. With thoughtful planning, $400,000 can support a strong, secure retirement. Focus on safety, income, tax strategy, and smart diversification. The goal? Peace of mind for the years ahead. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.